Hello guys, today in this episode I will share with you new ESP32 project, Mp3 Player. You can make easily. I show every detail step by step from scratch to product. Before continues, like and share this video and make you sure hit that subscribe button.
If you have been first time in this channel, go check out my other projects. All you need links are description.
Let's begin. First step, let's look components. I am using ESP32S3 for a microcontroller, ILI9341 touch display, MAX 98357A I2S audio amplifier, 3-watt speaker, and SD card. Let's bring together. Firstly, place it ESP32 dev board. I used only one side. After amplifier, VCC, go to 5 volt, GND, go to GND, LRC goes to GPIO 5, BCK goes to GPIO 7, DIN goes to GPIO 6. Most important, SD pins goes to 3.3 V. If you want to gain control on amplifier board, you can follow this guide. I left empty. Speaker directly goes to audio out. Next step, LCD connection. Display panel and touch panel share same SP pins except Cs. MISO goes to GPIO 13. MOSI goes to GPIO 11. SCLK goes to GPIO 12. TFT-CS goes to GPIO 4. Touch panel CS goes to GPIO 46. DC goes to GPIO 15. Reset goes to GPIO 9. Backlight goes to 3.3 V. I talk about more about this panel later. Next, SD card. I used built-in SD slot on-board display. Also, SD card use a SPI communication. But when I tried to use a same SP pins, touch panel doesn't work. So I separated it. And connections. SCK goes to GPIO 17. MISO goes to GPIO 18. MOSI goes to GPIO 16. CS goes to GPIO 10. As you can see, all connection on the screen.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness.
Next step, Arduino. Go to the link. Download Arduino IDE last release and install.
Wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past.
And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious.
And next step, we need a ESP32 board for a Arduino. IDE didn't come with that board tools. Other way, we can't compile this code for ESP32 development board. Go to the link. Copy that. After turn to Arduino, open preference, paste it in here.
Search in boards, ESP32, find that,
and click to install. We are used that boards. It's take a while. will be
Get
patient.
off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got.
Let's continue with code. Source file released on my GitHub. Go to the link and download. We need to install a few libraries. Go to Libraries section on the left. Write in blank TFTESPI, find this and click to install. And again write ESP32 audio I2S, find this and click that.
Wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate.
Next step
Every word
is
I move so
configuration TFTESPI library for LII9341 display and touch function. Go to Libraries Installed location. Find in TFTESPI folder. Firstly, open User Setup Select File and make you sure that this line uncommented. Save and exit. Next, open User Setup File. We change a few things in here. Uncomment display driver. Select your color order. Try both of them.
Never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love.
Set your display resolution.
Tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Scroll.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no
Setting
love
pin
for the
configuration
fakeness. If you
like
wanna play
this,
tough and wanna
or
hate this,
you can
I'll
use
always show up
Mp3
and make a
PIO,
statement. I don't ever
just
slow
making
up,
sure that
no, I
working.
don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective.
Don't
I got a
touch fonts.
vendetta against people who patented being negative when you
Last
should be
5
getting after
settings
it.
like this.
I got
Save
facts over
and
facts over
exit.
tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can
If you
erase
want
all
some
the
more
past and
information
the
about
pettiness.
the TFT-SB library, go check out this tutorial link in description.
I use touch control in this project. Before I need to be calibrated, for doing this, I open Touch Calibrate Example in Arduino Examples. Go to Files, Examples, TFTESPI, Generic, and Touch Calibrate. Scroll page and change only one thing in this script. Set rotation at 3. I use in main code in this way, so I calibrate in this form. Set tool configuration and click to upload. Everything working correctly, you've seen on display calibrate icons. Click for all corners. After seen serial monitor, calibration values. Copied that, after pasted in here. Don't change anything in this code. I write 2 different script. First is simple version. I am make sure that everything is working correctly, like speaker, SD files, display, and touch control. By the way, all MP3 files bin root folder in SD cards. And the other one is real code, also released on GitHub. Checking tool configuration like this and click that upload button. Let's review project. I have list but only visible when click this icon.
Slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play
Also,
tough
I
and
control
wanna
volume level with these buttons. I seen levels. In this area, displayed total sounds in SD card. I passed next or previous MP3 with these buttons. Also, I have play and pause button. When songs is playing, vinyl is turn. And that's all. Write in comment, what do you want to see in next video? Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you in next episode.
I'm not giving up, no I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.